That Subaru sounds crazy, bro. I started recording too late. But what is good, boys? Quick little look at the car. Of course, as soon as I wash it. What the fuck, bro? Oh, hell nah. What the? Bro, look at my fucking tires, bro. Someone slashed that, bro. That shit flat. I don't even know if I can drive this shit home. Damn. Yo, I did not even know that. Yo, it was like that this morning, though, I think, because, bro, that shit, what the fuck, bro? Oh, hell nah. Yo, this is my live reaction to this shit. I was just showing you guys a little walk around and I saw that shit. That shit crazy, bro. You did? Bro, did someone slash that, bro? Cause that shit looks weird, yo. But it was like that this morning, cause when I was driving, I don't know why I didn't check, bro. Damn, I've been driving on it like that. That's crazy. I don't know if I can bring it home, bro. Bro, what the fuck, bro? That shit crazy. Nah, that junk is actually crazy, bro. Yo, hold on. I'm about to call someone real quick, cause I think that's a slash tire, bro. Like, no tire. Ain't no tire pops from there, bro. My shit looks like my shit's straight, so it should not, like, bro. I don't even know, bro. But it was like that this morning, cause I saw the low, like it was saying, I gotta check my air pressure, my tires. But usually in Canada, bro, when it's cold, it says that shit sometimes, cause like just cause temperature varies, sometimes it says this. I'm like, nah, that's probably why. But when I was driving, it felt kind of weird, bro. I was thinking something's off, and I'm like, I'll just check it after class, because I was running late this morning. But it was like that this morning, so it wasn't here that happened, and I didn't drive home like that yesterday, so it's fucking overnight, bro. I wonder. Hold up, bro, that shit got me pissed off, bro. These are some good fucking tires too. I don't even know if I should drive it home, bro, but I can't park here forever. Fuck, I mean, I drove here this morning like this, so, bro, that shit fucking crazy, bro. Look, that's for, bro. Let me know what y'all think, though, because by the time you guys are seeing this video, I would have probably figured it out already. But let me know what you guys think, bro. Is that a slash tire? Because that's for sure a slash tire, bro. That shit can't just be, nah, that's a, hold up, bro. I know I'm saying the same shit over and over, but I'm hella pissed off. I was showing you guys a bird shit, bro. That's what I was trying to show y'all, but fucking hell, that shit crazy. Y'all, so right now, bro, I'm driving to my aunt's house, because that's where I keep my winter tire and shit. I still have the old winter tires from the 335i, so I'm probably just gonna put those on, bro, because I'm driving right now. It's run flats that I have in the car, so I think I should be chilling, bro. I just hope the shit doesn't, like, I don't know, bro. I just hope it doesn't mess anything up. But that shit sucks, bro. I just left school, as y'all can see, bro. That's my school over there. And I'm like, yo, I was just driving home, bro, because I'm hella tired. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna make a POV for y'all, try to edit this evening and go get some sleep, bro, because I'm tired, for real, because I barely sleep at night, bro. But yeah, I was just trying to make a POV, bro, and I saw that shit. But so I don't think that is not, bro, that shit look, fuck this guy talking about. Probably thinking I'm on my phone or something, bro. People piss me off, bro. Don't even try me right now, nigga. Alright, boys, so I did manage to make it, and I also got in contact with my mechanic, and he said it looks like it was driven on a flat tire. The reason I was saying I think someone might have slashed it is because of where I was parked up last night, because even when I got back to the car, I made sure to do a little walk around, bro, and I checked everything, because I was parked in a little sus spot yesterday, bro. Anyways, yo, I don't know how I got a flat tire. Maybe someone still did something to puncture it. I don't know, bro, but like I said, I'm not trying to play the blame game. It is my car at the end of the day, so I just got to deal with it. But yeah, there's like 2 more slashes now, so I know someone didn't slash it for sure. I feel like if someone slashed it, bro, I probably would have seen it. I don't know. These things are from driving on it being flat, because obviously the side, like all of these parts are rubbing on the road and it shouldn't. So yeah, if y'all can see, everything around there is just getting more and more rubbed out. But yeah, that's what my mechanic said. So maybe it just had maybe I had a flat tire this morning. But the reason I didn't think nothing crazy off it is because if y'all live in Canada or anywhere that's cold, you know that your car always tells you low tire pressure whenever the temperature drops, because right now it's fall, so this morning was actually freezing, so I thought that's why it said that. So I wasn't even really thinking nothing crazy off it. Real quick though, look at the new diffuser and muffler tips. This is the first time showing you guys in daytime. The last video I did, it was hella dark, so y'all didn't even see it that good. I'm going to turn it on for you guys. A little startup. Put that thing on. Wee, that's what diffuser is looking like. That thing looks crazy, bro. Let me know if you guys like it. Some people like the brake light, some people don't like it. Me personally, I like it. I just didn't know if I wanted it to flash when I brake. I tested it out before I put it on, and I actually like it. That is the muffler tips. Just kind of sucks that the tires are messed up right now. But yeah, it kind of sucks though, because what I was gonna do, bro, like these rims are 19s, right? And right now I'm gonna put some winter tires on. That was on the 335i winter wheels, because it's the rims, tires, everything. I'm gonna put those on, but they're 17s and they're super ugly. I had it on the 335i. These are the wheels, by the way. It could have been worse. Could have been the little donut looking things, but so yeah, at least I would have had to put winter tires on pretty soon, but I wasn't gonna put these on. I was just gonna buy tires for those, but this will have to work for now. Probably just gonna keep them on all winter too, I don't know. So this might be the new look for the car. Y'all probably are gonna have to get used to it. Damn, bro, I'm so cooked. Alright, boys, I'm fucked, bro. Damn, that shit's annoying. So turns out these fucking wheels, it's not gonna work on this car, because like I mentioned, they are 17s, but they fit on my last F30 because I did not have the M Performance brakes. But on this F30, I got the M Performance brakes, so it will not fit. Obviously it fits on the back because the back brakes are always smaller, but these big ass brakes, bro, it doesn't fit. I'm here fucking fighting to fit this shit on. I thought it was like the hub or something I had to clean off, but turns out it's just the calipers are way too big. I even scratched the shit trying to put it on, bro. Look at that. Unless that was there before, but fuck, bro. Damn, I'm ruining the whole car today. But yeah, so I don't know how this is gonna work, bro, because I'm gonna need to get a new tire, bro.